Today we are starting with construction of parallelogram, exercise 14.2, class 8, ICSE ML Aggarwal. So now let us look at the first sum, which says AB is given as 5 cm, BC as 3.2 and angle B is 120. So we have drawn the line BC 3.2. Now we have to draw the rough sketch. So we know in parallelogram the opposite sides will be equal and AD will be equal to BC and AB will be equal to DC. So with respect to that, we have drawn this parallelogram and angle B has 120 degree. So now the final sketch, that is AB is given as 5 cm. We have drawn the 5 cm line. On B we are drawing angle 120 degree. BC measures 3.2. So after drawing this line, we are going to place the compass here and measure 3.2 and just draw an arc here. So we get point C. After getting point C, so AD will also be 3.2. So we will measure 3.2 here. Then DC measures 5 cm. So with this, we are going to draw an arc here, and on point D, we are going to draw an arc here. So we get the parallelogram ABCD. For sum number 2, AB is given as 4.8, BC as 4, BD as 5.4. So we are going to draw all of it here, measuring it with the ruler. Then the rough sketch, as it is a parallelogram, so if AB is 4.8, DC will be 4.8, BC is 4, then AD will also be 4. Now there is a diagonal of BD, that is 5.4. Now the final sketch, we are drawing 4.8. After that, we are going to draw 4 cm, measure the 4 cm line, draw an arc, done. Then DC is 4.8, with C we are going to mark 4.8 here. Then AD also measures 4. We are going to just construct it and draw the sketch. And before doing the point D, we are also going to take 5.4 the measurement, then putting the compass here, and we are going to draw an arc here. So we get a required parallelogram ABCD. Now for sum number 3, BC's value is given as 4.5, BD as 4 cm and AC is 5.6. Now here the diagonals are provided. Here there is one rule that we follow, that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So now let us see the rough sketch. BC is 4.5. So we are going to measure and draw the line 4.5. Then measure BD. BD is given as 4. But first we have to, as the diagonals are provided, we have to find BO. How do we find BO? BO is half of BD, that is half of 4 cm, that is 2 cm. So we are going to measure 2 cm on the compass and draw an arc and bisect it here, O. So we get BO as 2. Now BD is also 4, then OD will also be 2, as BD is 4. So from OD we also measure 2 cm and draw an arc here. So we get the CD point. So we are going to draw this line CD. As we know, BC is 4.5. So similarly AD will also be 4.5 and AC's value is given as 5.6. So OC will be half of AC, that is 2.8 cm. So we are going to place the compass here and bisect it here, that is 2.8. Then from here again bisect it here, that is also 2.8. Total AC is 5.6. We get the value and point A and we join AB. So we get the required parallelogram ABCD. This is the rough sketch and this is the fair diagram. For sum number 4, AC's value is given as 6. Here only the diagonals values are provided. BD is 4.6 and angle O is 45 degree. So first we have to draw the base. So we are going to take base AC as 6 cm. But we are going to draw AO first. As we know, diagonals bisect each other. So if AC is 6, AO will be half of 6, that is 3. So from point A to O, we are going to measure 3 cm and take the compass and draw an arc here. So we get 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, total AC 6 centimeter. Now on AC we are going to get 45 degree. So we draw 90 degree, then bisect it till 45. So and draw a line here, that is 45 degree. So we get 45 here. Now BD measures 4.6, so half of it will be 2.3. So from point O we are going to measure 2.3 and bisect it here, and again similarly we are going to place it here, 2.3 measurement, and bisect it here, and we got BD. Then we are going to join the lines A, B, C, D. This is the required diagram that is required. Sum number 5, we have to get a rectangle, that is AB is 5.6. So and angle B measures 90 degree and BC is 4 centimeter. So first we get AB as 5.6, then on B we draw 90 degree angle. Now we are going to just extend the line. Now measure 4 centimeter. So measuring 4 centimeter with the compass, we draw an arc here, we get point C. Again we know if AB is 5.6 in a rectangle, so opposite lines will be equal. So if it is 5.6, DC will also be 5.6. So again measuring 5.6, we draw an arc here, we get point D. Again AD measures 4. So from point A we are going to measure 4 centimeter and bisect the line. So we get the required rectangle ABCD. For sum number 6, okay, we need to find the diagonals and draw the diagram. But before it, let me tell you that square and rectangle, their diagonals are same. So in this, AB is given as 5 centimeter and the diagonal is 6.8, and angle A is supposed to be 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. Angle AB measures 5 centimeter. So we are going to draw it on a ruler. Then if AB is 5 centimeter, AC is 6.8. So on A we draw the 90 degree and AC is 6.8. So we get point C and we get join BC. Now similarly we know BD is 6.8 again. So BD 6.8, we got point D. Then CD measures 5. So again from point C we are going to bisect on D 5, and from point D we are going to bisect on C. So we get the required diagram ABCD.